My name is Vikas, and in this video, I will show you how to use PayPal payment gateway to accept payments for your bookings on day schedule. So just go to your event, click on collect payment for this event, select payment gateway as PayPal, and then mention your price here. For example, I'm going to charge $50 USD. Then just save it. Now someone visit your page and book an event with you. For example, I am selecting 15th as an example, selecting 9 a.m. Let me just enter the detail. So just pay and confirm. The customer will be redirected to PayPal. This is my test account, so I am just entering my US test account credentials. And here I will select the payment gateway, or maybe I can add other card as well. So let me just select this test card. Continue. Yeah, it's confirmed now. So this is how a customer will be able to book the event with you and pay the subscription fee or pay the one-time fee via the PayPal payment gateway. An email will also be sent with all the details to both parties with the invoice payment receipt as well, which can be found in the attachment, and all the other questions answered as well on the email, including the Google Meet link to join the meeting. And to connect the payment gateway, users need to go to connections, and here you can find the PayPal payment gateway and just click on connect button to connect the PayPal account with Desidu. Thank you.